In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an online community website with Wix. Not by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site is open, click Design Site to begin working on the layout and structure of your community website. Choose a template that gives you a clean homepage and enough space for important sections like updates, events, and resources. When you find the right one, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Once the editor opens, go to the homepage and replace the main heading with the name of your online community. After that, update the introductory text so visitors quickly understand what your community is about. Keep this section short and clear. It should explain the purpose of the group and who it is for. Now add the main pages your website will need. Click the Add button, then select Pages. Create pages such as About, Community, Events, Resources, and Contact. These pages help organize your content and make it easier for visitors to find information. After adding the pages, update each one with content that supports your community. On the About page, explain the mission of the community. On the Community page, share details about participation or discussion spaces. On the Events page, add upcoming activities or announcements. On the Resources page, include helpful links, guides, or materials. On the Contact page, provide a simple way for visitors to reach out. Next, add buttons or links that encourage people to join the community or take part in discussions. Place these in visible areas, such as the home page or community page, so visitors know what to do next. Once the content is in place, customize the design of the site. Adjust the colors, fonts, images, and page layout so everything matches your community branding. Make sure the design feels consistent across all pages. Before publishing, click Preview to review the full website. Check that the text looks correct, the pages open properly, and the links work as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your online community website live. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.